What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here outside of Big Lots. Gonna head inside, see what we can find. It's buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's go. All right, they're running a sale. Buy one, get 3 free DVDs. 75 cents to $29.99. I assume mostly picked over. See, they have a lot of emptiness here. A lot of emptiness. I was looking, hopefully, for, yeah, I don't see any. I was hoping for some big box sets because I could actually use the cases to replace things. But maybe with buy one, get 3 free, we might be able to find some stuff here. I'm gonna do a little bit of digging and see what I come across. Alright, so here's the first box set I found. It's $10. It's Stargate Season 1 and Season 2. And here it is on Amazon, selling for $31. So 20 bucks, no matter what, you'll double up. But you could also get a few of these. Could grab a few extras for free. So since it's buy one, get 3 free, I think these games are included. So we have an 8 to Glory, a Geometry Wars 3. They only had 2 of these, so I got 1, and then the one I'm paying for, $10. So $10 for all of this. It's a pretty darn good deal. Everything else over there is kind of hit or miss. Pretty low value stuff. I might do a little more scanning in a little bit, but let's check out more of the store. So it looks like they have some sports cards here. These might be stickers. They have FIFA World Cup sticker cards. Oh, they do have some hockey right here. Parkhurst 2021-22 for $5. That might be a good deal. We have some Donruss Soccer for $6. We have Score Football for $12. There's Upper Deck Hockey for $8. Upper Deck Hockey for $7. And some basketball for $10. Little mystery Pokemon pack that's probably garbage in there. They have a bunch of those. They also have some Yu-Gi-Oh! Oh, lots of Yu-Gi-Oh! Ones. We'll leave those, but I might snag a few of these packs of cards. There's some Garbage Pail Kids back there. Kind of cool. Definitely gonna look into some of this. So the only cards that were semi worth it is this Parkhurst pack for $5. There's a little bit of value in it. I might actually open it up for fun. But these Donruss Soccer packs right here at $6 each. The cheapest ones online right now are $10, but I've never actually seen these. So I think that once a bunch sell, these will go up in value. So this is something I would buy and hold. And I got 4 of them, so I'm gonna buy and hold those for, who knows, a year. Just throw them in the back of the closet and see what happens. So now we are in the candy aisle. Sometimes I find some really good deals in here with some discontinued candies or things that are just out of season. I've never seen these Kool-Aid popping candies before. These Warhead cubes and Galactic cubes. These are brand new, only $1.79. So let's grab something like this and scan it in together, and we could see how much something like this is worth. Alright, so I have the Warheads turned around so I can see that barcode there. I have my Amazon seller app opened, and we're going to scan that barcode. And here they are. They only have 1 review, and they're only selling for $3.99 at the moment. You would actually lose 41 cents to sell these, so not quite sure why somebody is doing that, but we will put these back on the shelf. Alright, so I wasn't really finding much in the candy. So on the other side of the wall we have some cookies and sweet treats, and I've seen most of these at the regular old supermarket. But coming over here, I see something a little interesting. A Bailey's Irish Cream Loaf Cake. I have never heard of that. It's kind of expensive at $5.79, but it may be worth it. So let's stick it in the cart. Let's scan it in. Alright, let's see what happens. What do we got? Here it is. Has a very good rank. Looks like it's selling for $15. The lowest price, what is it after fees? $9.04. So $9. You have to pay $5.79, so about $6. So you make about $3 on that. It's not bad. That's about a 50% profit margin. That's actually really good, and there are a bunch of them back there. So I mean, I'm probably gonna leave it behind, but this is a good buy. You're looking at 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, $24. So about 25 bucks just sitting there that anybody can grab and make some good money on. I don't know about these lemon moon pies, but I'm gonna look them up also. All right, so these lemon moon pies are $2.69, and here we have them. Lots of reviews, selling on Amazon for $14.99. These are a definite good buy. Looks like you'll make about $9 after fees, minus your about $3. So instead of making $3 each on spending 6 to make 3, you're spending 3 to make 6 right next to it. And these go back pretty far, not that far, so it looks like 6, 12, 18, 24, $36 worth probably. That right there is a very good buy. While I'm standing over here, I think I want to look up these Brownie Brittle Heath English Toffee Bits. Kind of interesting. Never seen these. They appear to be, the price is kind of cut off on there, but I think it's $3.19 a bag. Let's see if this is worth more than $15. And now I'll get comments that say, why would somebody spend $15 on these when you could get them for $2.69 in the store? Well, maybe they don't have a Big Lots near them, or maybe this is the only Big Lots with them in stock. I don't know. Some of these treats are discontinued certain places, certain times, so you just never know. I don't question it, I just sell it. So right here, this brownie batter stuff is selling for $7.82. You'd only make $2.44, so can't spend $3.19 on it. You'd lose $1. I might end up grabbing all those moon pies, but we're gonna keep looking around the store because there's more than just food in here. All right, taking a look down the drink aisle, I found a Keurig donut shop caramel apple pie. It sounded unique, sounded different, so I looked it up. There's also Girl Scouts coffee that I need to look up, but it is $7.99, and if you take a look here, it sells really well. You'd only make about $1.74, but I wanted to do a little more research, and I saw, if you look at all of the sellers on the listing, you can see that one person with pretty bad reviews and only 16 total reviews, pretty bad percentage, is selling them for $16.45, and then the next Amazon Prime seller is selling them for $18.99. So I wanted to just double check what you'd make if you sold them for that $18.99 when the other seller sells out. You'd make about $12. So you could turn your 8 into 12 and profit was at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, about $4. Not too bad there. It's about a double up, well, 50%, so 4, 8, 12 more dollars in coffees right here. We could look up these Girl Scout cookies ones as well. I've never seen these. Oh, there's another there. So there's a couple Girl Scout cookies ones. There's also a Jim Beam one, a Tortuga. So some very interesting looking coffees here that I'll do some research into for you guys. So I haven't been able to find these ones on Amazon, but I found these. And you'll see the packaging on this looks very similar, so they must have either updated the packaging or that's the updated packaging. I'm not quite sure, but it is the same item. You can see it has 18 cups. It's all the exact same as it is on the listing. They're asking $6.50 here at Big Lots, and on Amazon you can sell it for $18.24, so you'd make about $4.25. Not a great profit, but again, it's more than 50%, so you're turning, you know, making about $4, so you're almost doubling up is what I mean. You're almost doubling up here. Not bad. 4, 8, 12 more dollars, so you're at $24, and I'm sure these are going for about the same if you could find the listing. So there is some good money in the coffee section. I think I'm gonna check the Jim Beam out and the Tortuga right now. So the Jim Beam at $4.99, not as good. You'd only profit about $1.50, so those will get left behind. And now we have the Tortuga to look into. Looks kind of cool. So here's something a little interesting. The Tortuga doesn't have anybody on the listing, so we got to check eBay and see what the going rate for these are. All right, so these Tortugas over on eBay are selling for $14. So on Amazon you could usually get a little bit more, so maybe $19.99, maybe a little bit less, maybe $17.99, so it's about $1 a cup of coffee. That's not bad. You always want to check the expiration dates. Expiration is not until October, so we have lots of time. It is only April. I'm definitely gonna snag these. There's 2 of them, and I may end up grabbing some of this coffee here. I'm not 100% sure yet. I'm really looking for some good double ups right now. All right, here we go, coming up on some toys and games. Toys and games are great. Pet products are great. I love looking at both. Maybe a pet toy. I don't know. I see some Legos. $40. That seems expensive. This one's $50. Holy cow. I'll pop the prices up on the screen here for you guys. That one's $50 here, and this one's $40. I don't think those are good deals, but hey, I could be wrong. It's always interesting coming and just scanning things because you never know what has a lot of value. I saw this Rock action figure, WWE Rock Ultimate Edition, $32. I thought that seems super high. Didn't know it was going to be worth that much. I looked it up, and take a look at this great rank. It sells fast for almost $50. Wouldn't be worth it because you'd spend $32 to make $2, but you can see after the fees it's only $34. But still, if you ever see this out in the wild or on clearance somewhere, that is a great price. Holy moly. Alright, so we struck out big at the pet supplies, but I'm in like the health and wellness section, and I saw some clearance when it came to these clippers. And this one specifically, this Remington, for $15. I looked it up. Here it is with a pretty good rank, lots of reviews, selling for 34 bucks. So the cost to purchase $15. Shipping into Amazon is very cheap because you ship a lot of things in one box. So I'll just put a quarter in there to ship it. You're making $7.42, so about another 50% profit. That's not bad, being able to spend $15 and profit almost $8. That seems like a good deal to me. Sadly, there's only one of them. But again, that's not bad. I'm going to see if there's any other clippers on sale, and it doesn't look like it, sadly. But right there, that's not a bad price to pay to make some money there. Alright, moving down from that Remington, which I still might grab, I saw these Sunbeam heating pads. Normally $30, they're on clearance for $20. There's a few of them back here. I scanned it in on Amazon, and take a look. That's a really good rank. Lots of reviews. Selling for 39 bucks after fees. You're making 27, so spend 20 to make 27. Not too bad. That's a quick $7 profit. So you're at 7. Oh, how many are back here? 7, 14. So it's $14 profit right there. That is solid. That plus that, and plus all the foods, it starts to add up real quick pretty easily. Alright, so I just tried ringing out, and the video games are not included on the sale, so we have to find 2 more DVDs that are worth it. Alright, we left Big Lots with a nice bag of goodies here. I found some extra DVDs, we got some coffee, we got some cards, we got some foods. Hope you guys enjoyed.